Welcome, today I am with iPad 2021 from the European distribution, and if you wonder if this device comes with charger in the box, we are going to check it quickly, so let me open the box. Okay, it's not that easy as I thought. Okay, I think that right now I get it, so take a look. Okay, so as you can see inside we can find charger and a lightning cable. So yeah, we can find here charger in the box set. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.